In Odyssey Book 13, Odysseus, who's an epic hero, finally returns to home Ithaca from his long journey. In Book 13, the story finally takes place in Ithaca, and there is a quote that I found from Book 13 which made me curious about this place, Ithaca. On page 207, line 244, Athena is saying to Odysseus, "Come, I will show you settled Ithaca, so you will believe me. This is the harbor of the old man of the sea, Phorcys, and here at the head of the harbor is the olive tree with spreading leaves, and nearby is the cave that is shaded and pleasant and sacred to the nymphs who are called the nymphs of the wellspring maze. There is a wide overarching cave where often used to accomplish for the nymphs their complete hecatombs, and there is a mountain Neritos all covered with forest." So speaking, the goddess scattered the mist, and the land was visible. Long-suffering great Odysseus was gladdened and rejoicing in the sight of his country, and kissed the grain-giving ground, then raised his hands in the air and spoke to the nymphs. In this quote, Athena is describing Ithaca to bring back Odysseus' memory, because he did not believe he was in Ithaca. This quote shows that he finally made his goal, because Odysseus' goal was to return to Ithaca from Trojan War. From this quote, I got curious about Ithaca, where Odysseus was born and grew up.